Bench will now have to hear a plea seeking a probe against Vedanta Group. This comes after the Apex Court Judge Justice Vinod Chandran recused himself from hearing the case. The plea cited a report by Viceroy Research which claims that Vedanta and its subsidiaries engaged in fraudulent practices. Ashmit is here with more. Ashmit, where does this now leave this matter?
Well, the PIL citing Viceroy report against Vedanta was taken up by the Apex Court today. Now, a couple of important aspects to bear in mind. This PIL, importantly, is seeking for a probe to be conducted by SEBI, RBI, as well as the Ministry of Corporate Affairs. The concerns that have been cited in this PIL essentially echo the same issues in the allegations that were raised in the Viceroy report. This PIL goes on to say that the Viceroy allegations pertain to fraud, financial manipulation, price rigging, regulatory violations, and that despite representations being made by Viceroy to SEBI, no investigation, no inquiry was conducted by SEBI. No such inquiry has been done. That is a reason for concern, and that's the rationale behind filing this PIL. As a part of this PIL, it goes on to recount some of these questions that were raised as a part of the Viceroy report. The PIL cites debt transactions being extended by Vedanta to Vedanta Resources, its London-based parents, talking about how this debt was then circled back for buying even more shares in the company itself, in Vedanta itself. It talks about dividend payouts which are disproportionately large. It talks about branding fees and other fees which go out to basically siphon money out of Vedanta, the Indian entity, to Vedanta Resources, the London-based entity. So a whole host of these allegations being recounted as a part of this PIL. As of right now, the Apex Court tried to take it up today. However, one of the judges in question has recused himself, so the matter could not proceed any further. Now we're given to understand the same PIL will be heard by a different bench of the Supreme Court. So clearly, questions being raised, an investigation being sought against Vedanta. The Supreme Court is yet to give clarity.
Ashmit, many thanks, and staying with the